Hello, Christchurch family. This is Carson Sensing. Hope you're doing well today. I want to take a quick video to show you some exciting things going on. Today was an exciting day, and here's why. This is our new fellowship hall construction, and footers were poured today. So that's fresh concrete inside the forms. Over here, they're installing insulated blankets in case it gets below freezing tonight, which it's not supposed to do, but that's what those are there, to keep it insulated and keep it from freezing. This is rebar coming up from the footers that the walls will be fastened to the foundation with. And those are, in case you're wondering, rebar protection caps so you don't fall on it and impale yourself. Probably more than you want to know. Anyway, very exciting day, and we'll keep you updated. Bye-bye.